The third fix is to add real-time notifications. So if there are notifications for when a customer has completed an application, the credit team is alerted that the customer has completed an application. When the credit check for that customer is complete, there should be a notification that the credit check is complete. Then the approval. The moment the approval is done, the finance team that is supposed to disburse the loan is supposed to get a notification. By notification, it could be an email or something that is system driven that alerts the next person who is supposed to take over from the task that the person before them has finished and it's now time for you to do your own part. So if there are notifications, it can cut down this loan application process right now. Takes about 29, takes about a month plus. It takes, in the worst case scenario, it can take up to 5 weeks for a customer that applied for a loan to get their loan. And that's due to a combination of reasons. We've seen manual entry is a problem here. Not having deadlines is a problem. And I must include, if you introduce approval limits and say for any amount below 100,000, a supervisor can approve, and you add a deadline to that. Approvals must be done within 24 hours of a complete credit check. Once the credit check is complete, you have 24 hours to give the approval. If not, it becomes a performance issue. It becomes something that will affect your performance review, promotions, your pay, and everything. People are going to sit up because they know that you are monitoring the flow of this. So the way this company is, the way this process is right now, it's quite clumsy. If you try to grow this business looking like this, you end up making promises you cannot fulfill, and that will damage your reputation and your brand. You will go out there telling people that we give you fast loans. Meanwhile, in reality, it takes you about a month for the loans to come out. So when you do this business workflow mapping, it exposes the areas where there are delays, where there are manual processes that cause delays, where there are approval requests that cause delays, where there are areas where you're waiting for one person who might be under a lot of pressure. In this case, the manager. You're waiting for him. Meanwhile, he approves, nothing else can be done, right? So this is an example of how you can look at a particular area of your business. In this case, this is how they acquire customers for their loan products. You can do the same thing for production, how you make your products in your factory. The first one is buy products from supplier, contact supplier. Second, receive. Break down. The interesting thing about this is that how things are done in your business. And if you don't know, another tip I'll give you here is ask the people who know. The business workflow mapping is not about how things should be in your business. No, because if you're not responsible for those things, you will not know exactly how things are run. This is supposed to be how things actually are. So if you're not the person who does this work, I need you to have a meeting with the people that are responsible and ask them, okay, so what's the first step? Who does that? How long does it normally take? Best case and worst case. If you notice in this case, I used ranges. How long it takes in terms of time. From 10 minutes to 30 minutes, from 1 day to 3 days. Best case and worst case. And in terms of the worst case, ask them, why will it take up to, why does the worst case ever happen? If somebody tells you, sir, doing this task takes about 1 to 3 days, ask them, why 3 days? Why does it happen in 3 days and not 1 day? And then they can now start, all those things that may cause delays and problems and bottlenecks, they start to bring them up. So this is the example of a loan application process, loan application workflow in a microfinance business. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.